Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kini longi khubor bam takasni. USP ke East Kashil District uba Vivex im IPS uyathu jingtoket yak hybrid insapira lingdo maunai kadena ka jingpen ngam jilam habayakran shikilat pathai khubor ha office SP Shillong. Shushu uba Vivek uyathu ka kinhun Special Investigation Team SIT kala pintikna ba ka jingyap jing ikna Southnem insapira lingdo maunai kala pinshisha ba ka jingjiangam julap kadai kabla le ban penyam. Ukhinna khatlai snem upara marjan bajulet kai bha shakaying ilanot men ka khatpra trek unna nailur ula shakem bat lapha menta shaka juvenile home hadin ba ka jingkubur ba uyalam ye ini hybrid shakaying barangshna themai kajaka balap ya ka medyap ha ka khatsan trek unailur Katay ka jingjia jing I hybrid insapira lingdo maunai la ja rungai na la ying na nongra nonglum ha kapor prab jimin step jang ka khat south rek unai lur. Kadaw tunrai halindet kani ka kam bamman kam shai ong uba viveng kidon shibun kidaw ya ka jingtmu le klem akor. Ka SIT kan shim katu ka nepor ban pinshisha la ka dan ne em kanu ka jing prasang ban ne klem akor hendrai ka wei ka kam kalati kana ka jingam julop la le ban penyap ula penram. Ha ka wei kalyang USP kwa ban ong AA but ukentat ru ya ka jingdon kti jingki wei pat kibriu hakane ka kam bomman haba penti kana ba uni ukna khatlai snem ula le marwei ya kane ka kam. Ka jing tokit kadang yad bat ki pulit kin sabu da ka porban IT ya ka chat sheet tang marsen dep ka jing tokit ula ong.
The crime in Nongra, that is a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old mother case.
See the 4-year-old, the case is still going, it's still progressing. With regard to the 4-year-old, the culprit has been ascertained, has been apprehended, and in my last press briefing, I had mentioned that the child died out of drowning, and it would take us some time to ascertain whether the child died out, whether the drowning was accidental or homicidal. SIT, which has been formed, has established that the drowning was homicidal. So she was drowned deliberately by the accused, who's juvenile in conflict with law. He's still in juvenile home. Only thing is the SIT is still yet to ascertain whether the drowning, the homicide or the act was done in perpetuation of an argument which happened over biscuits, which he has said, or whether it was an sexual assault attempt. There are many indications to the latter for which we need to establish. So SIT will take some time to establish whether there was any sexual attempt. But one thing I can say that the drowning was homicidal in nature.
So there's a lot of confusion surrounding this case because there was speculation that there could be another person or persons involved in this case.
No. SIT has ruled out there's only one person, he's 13-year-old, and he's the only one who perpetrated this.
So how many cases did SIT get to investigate? 16?
See, there's no time frame, but from the time we arrest accused, then we have a 90-day time frame for charge sheeting.
And regarding the murder case at Nongra itself, the 7-year-old boy, so there were indications that the boy had several injury marks on his body. Is it true, sir?
See, there are injuries and all that. Some could be antemortem, some could be postmortem injuries and all that. Usually, if the body is exposed for a long time, then you can have postmortem injuries, also means after death injuries from the various elements of nature. So we are waiting for the postmortem report to actually ascertain what type of injuries were antemortem, maybe if there are postmortem injuries also. So from the postmortem report, we will get a clearer picture of how he died.
So any suspect identified so far?
See, as of now, the spectrum of suspects is wide. As SIT progresses and all that, you will be able to narrow further. Since it is a child out here, and where the motive to kill a child is very difficult to establish. It either could be for ransom, which has not come about. It could be for sexual assault, for which the inquest has not indicated of any sexual assault, or we'll confirm that from the post-mortem. And if there's none of these motives, then we have to look for other motives. So it's very important to first establish what is the motive for killing the 7-year-old child.
So as a law,
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world, with over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love